Hi everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. If you're a pharmacist and have this dream of working as a pharmacist in New Zealand, then this video is going to be super helpful because today we will dive deep into this topic that how you can become a pharmacist in New Zealand. So let's begin. See, if you're a pharmacist from countries like India, Nepal, Pakistan, Bhutan and many other regional countries, then you need to remember that the very first step you're going to take is eligibility check, which means you need to submit your qualification documents to the Pharmacy Council of New Zealand, and this confirms that your pharmacy degree and credentials are acceptable for registration process. Step 2. Once your eligibility check is complete, then you can sit for OPRA examination. OPRA exam, Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment. This exam assesses your pharmaceutical knowledge and your readiness to work in New Zealand. This one is similar to Australian version, but a critical gateway for you to pass and move further towards New Zealand pharmacist legislation course and internship. Step 3. Once you pass your OPRA examination, this is the step for you to complete the New Zealand pharmacist legislation course. This course teaches you New Zealand pharmacy laws, ethical standards, and professional regulation. This one is designed for you to understand the legal and ethical aspect of pharmacy practice in New Zealand. Step 4. Intern Pharmacist Registration. Once your OPRA examination and NZPL course is complete, then you can apply for Intern Pharmacist Registration with the New Zealand Pharmacy Council. This one allows you to work under supervision and gain practical experience. Step 5 is Evolve Internship. Next, you must complete your Evolve Internship, a training program of 1 year where you are prepared with practical experience, practical awareness, workshops, and mentoring with licensed pharmacists in New Zealand. Step 5 is full registration. After successful completing your internship and gaining experience, you can finally register with New Zealand Pharmacy Council as a fully registered pharmacist. But there is more to this. In order to become a fully registered pharmacist, you also need to clear your English proficiency examination. That could be anything. IELTS, OET, PT, and to qualify for your registration, you need to demonstrate your English proficiency skills. You have to clear any of these examinations and become a fully registered pharmacist. Now, if you have this confusion that why should I choose New Zealand? Well, here is your guide. New Zealand offers you clear structured pathway, a rewarding pharmacist career, high quality life and healthcare system. And that's all. You have to follow these official steps in order to become a pharmacist in New Zealand without wasting time. Now, here is a pro tip. If you're a serious candidate and do not want to navigate alone, then don't worry. Contact to Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise has many years of experience helping overseas pharmacists clear their various pharmacy licensure exams with Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, and many others. So, if you wish to contact Elite Expertise, just contact to the given numbers on the screen, or you can comment down New Zealand in the comment section. Our team will try to reach out to you to help you guide further. Found this video helpful? Like this video. Share this video with all your pharmacy friends who are dreaming to work abroad. And yes, subscribe to Elite Expertise without forgetting to hit that bell icon.